What's up, guys? Getting ready to go to Barnwell this weekend. Thought I'd do a little update on the XJ. Today we're putting on some new shocks because the old shocks are on their last leg. We had some rattling in the front end and we couldn't figure out what was going on, but these front shocks, they have a dead spot in the middle where the ride height was, and they also have stopped pushing back up and putting some pressure back up in the mounting point. So evidently something's awry in those stock shocks. Also the bushings were shot, so they were rattling everywhere and kind of got crushed up against that upper mount. So since this isn't a daily driver, even though it drives perfectly well on the street and it could be a daily driver, we opted to make life simple and just get straight replacement shocks from BDS, their new Nitro Series shocks. And they're silver, so you can't beat that, matching the exterior paint color. Right now I'm working on getting the rear shocks dismounted so we can throw on the new shocks. Very long extension time. It's pretty fun getting up there to the upper mounts. But all of it's going smooth, and we're gonna go see how it works at Barnwell tomorrow. Oh, the shock specs. I know somebody's going to ask this question. I believe on the back here, yes, they're 29.8 extended and 17.55 all the way compressed, and 2 3/8 shock body. So those are the front shocks. The rear shocks, let's see. The rear shocks are 25.95 inches extended and 15.4 inches compressed. The shock body is a 2-inch shock body. So that's a little update for the time being. Everything's holding together really well. The Jeep is driving wonderfully. Oh, I guess while we're here, did build a little battery tray bracket. I don't know why, but the battery was just sitting in here by itself. It's had the two long threaded bolts coming up from the tray, but nothing going across. So just got a little piece of flat steel and cut it and beveled it with a grinder to thin it out at the ends, so to make sure we had enough thread on the bolts. And also we had a fan clutch go out, and we were wondering why it was running a little warm last time we were at Barnwell. Nothing overheating, but it would run around 200, which wasn't typical. And lo and behold, fan clutch was bad, so replaced the fan clutch. All that's working perfect now. It's running back at its normal 188-ish temperature. And also we lost our oil pressure gauge. Ended up being this sensor down here, right here. You can see my shiny silver fitting down there. That long plastic tube had broken off halfway, and that's why we lost our send for the oil pressure. So we got that replaced also yesterday, and everything is looking in tip-top shape. And I look forward to videoing and wheeling tomorrow and having a good time. Hope y'all are doing well. Take it easy.